again, and today we're gonna react into House of the Dragon. It's their second, I don't know if it's the second trailer or not, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be House of the Dragon. I think it comes out next month. It's in August, on HBO. So I've already given my thoughts on the first for that trailer that I reacted to weeks ago. So I'm gonna just jump into this one, and yeah, let's go.
War is afoot. The dream was clearer than a memory. And I heard the sound of thundering hooves, splintering shields and ringing swords.
Is there prophecy?
And I placed my heir upon the Iron Throne. And all the dragons roared as one.
His hands were caught.
I consider the matter urgent. That of your succession.
Well, who else would have a claim?
The firstborn child.
Rhaenyra. No queen has ever sat the Iron Throne.
The king has an heir, Daemon Targaryen.
I will not be made to choose between my brother and my daughter.
And he chose his daughter. And that's what brought about this conflict. Wait, is that the guy from Prince Caspian?
Rhaenyra's succession will be challenged. Knives will come out.
You are the king. Your duty is to take a new wife.
I have decided to name a new heir. I'm your heir.
No, you're not.
War is afoot.
Do you think the realm will ever accept me as their queen?
A
No.
woman would not inherit the Iron Throne, because that is the order of things.
When I'm queen, I will create a new order.
August 21.
Family has dragons.
Alright. Both families have
Men
dragons.
should never have trifled with.
But it's one family, I mean both sections of the
If
family.
Rhaenyra comes into power, she can cut off any challenge to her succession.
I am to inherit the Iron Throne. She will block my way.
Our hearts remain as one.
Oh, our hearts were never one. Have you never imagined yourself on the Iron Throne? Where is duty? Where is sacrifice? Now they see you as you are.
Ooh, that CGI is nice. Okay, man. Okay, buddy. Doing the thing. Doing the thing. Alright, I'm excited. August 21. Can't wait for it. Matt Smith doing Matt Smith things. Great actor. What can I say, man? Yo, I'm just ready, you know? I'm just ready for it. Speechless. You know? I didn't finish Game of Thrones. At the time I was thinking I didn't want to spoil myself. Well, the books haven't finished yet, so books haven't finished yet. So that was a bad decision. But then maybe it wasn't a bad decision because I did watch the final season. So don't question it. And it was, yeah, no. Okay, so you know, it is what it is. But yeah, I absolutely cannot wait for this. We're gonna see Targaryens against Targaryens. We're gonna see dragons fighting each other. We're gonna see war, internal conflict, politics, Game of Thrones. You know, hopefully we're gonna see early scenes of Game of Thrones in this. You know, betrayals, who's selling it to who, cause all these people like know each other, and there's been like harmony. Yeah, for the most part, from what I remember. Because I read the book. Which book was it again? I don't remember the name of the book. Yeah, the name of the book this is based on. That big companion book, and it was a compelling story. I just really can't wait to see how they adapt it to this. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be stressful. It's gonna be engaging. Hopefully, I put my faith in these guys and the showrunners. It's not the old showrunners from Game of Thrones. It's different people. They were, if I remember correctly, they were involved in Game of Thrones, so they have some. They should have some. Oh yeah, that's what they did, and this didn't work. They have a fully fleshed out source material. Okay, I'll accept some deviation because some stuff might might not translate. Was there internal monologue? I think there was internal monologue, and there isn't that in the book. I don't think there was a lot of it, but either way, some stuff might not translate well, so I'm fine with that, just as long as they stick to mainly what was in the book. The key plot points, they have a good source material, use it well, use it up, borrow lines if you want, no shame in that. It was a good book, not as good as the Song of Ice and Fire series, but it's a good little spin-off book. No, it was not a little book, but yeah, it's a good book. There is a lot they can do with this. There's a lot they have to work with. They have some good actors, some recognizable faces. I expect excellence. We expect excellence. This is something that should be good. I'm expecting greatness. Okay, that sounds like a lot of pressure I'm putting on it, but no. It's gonna be a failure on their part if they don't do this well. Keeping it short, if you want more, watch my reactions when it comes out for the series. Yeah, so that's it.